आज तो मैं ऑलमोस्ट भूल गया था. आई ऑलमोस्ट फॉरगेट टू रिकॉर्ड माई ओन वीडियो. सो आज मैं शायद मेरा चैलेंज भूल जाता कि मेरे को हर दिन एक वीडियो अपलोड करना है. वैसे आज तीसरा ही दिन हुआ है, फिर भी अचानक से याद आया, कैमरा लेके आ गया टेरेस पे. बहुत आलसी हूँ गाइस, बहुत आलसी हूँ. मतलब मैंने आज मेरा पूरा दिन वेस्ट कर दिया. जैसे आपको पता है, मेरा पिछला वीडियो आपने देखा है, यू हैव सीन माई लास्ट वीडियो. आई हैव अ इंटरव्यू टुमारो 4 PM. और आज and today I am start my study at 12 PM. The entire half of my day I just wasted it. I go to college, come at 10 a.m. Then the 2 hours I just scrolling the reels, and at 12 I am going library. Not study for hours, I just studied for 3 PM only. 12 to 3 PM, in which I go for a tea break. I sleep for 10 to 15 minutes. So there is no consistency in my study routine too. And after coming from library at 3 PM, I just slept. Just sleep, guys, and wake up at 5 PM. Almost 2 hours of sleep. Currently the time is around 6 PM, but I have done my uh, preparation very well. I had go through the material they gave me and my own material for the interview. And about my speaking English problem, the problem cannot be solved in 1 or 2 days. So let's keep the recording my videos and uploading there, and self practice with ChatGPT with his voice modulation. I am just on the ChatGPT voice modulation and give him my brief that I am Jigar and I want to this interview, and I want to give this interview. This is the main domain, and grill me. And ChatGPT really ask hard questions, and I also tell the ChatGPT that please improve my grammatical mistakes and tell me what are my mistakes. Yes, but ChatGPT is like answering with sugarcoating. In voice modulation we cannot do anything. If there is any setting I will see and change, but in text I already change it. I strictly what gonna say now, मतलब मैंने उसको रोक दिया है कि मेरे को सुगर कोटिंग वाला आंसर नहीं चाहिए. मेरे को इसको इंग्लिश में बोलना नहीं आता कि आई जस्ट स्ट्रिक्ट आई स्टॉप ChatGPT. नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं है. ठीक है, इसको भी देख लेंगे. और मैं देखो व्लॉग बनाने नहीं आया हूँ मैं. मेरे इंटरेस्ट, और आई एम नॉट हेयर फॉर मेकिंग व्लॉग्स. आई एम हेयर फॉर टॉकिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ, माई एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड एवरीथिंग. सो ये भी मैं टेरिस पे ही बना रहा हूँ. मेरे रूममेट्स हैं. सो आई एम feel little bit awkward in front of them using this. You can see by my face I am just wake up. Wake up around. I wake up 30-45 minutes ago and come here. I just read my today's topic will be like business entities in US. So the business entities in US as like sole proprietorship, partnership, limited partnership, S corporation, C corporation. Those are the major, and there are other like trust and then professional LLCs, anything, but majorly five. Okay, so yeah, six, majorly six. Majorly sole proprietorship, partnership, C corporation, S corporation, and LLC. Majorly five. Okay, so sole proprietorship is the simplest form of business where you just the owner who own the business, and the business is not a legal entity, the separate entity from the owner. The owner and business are equal, both are one. So the whatever the profit and loss happens, the owner will write his profit or loss in his schedule C, and his return uh, form 1040, in form 1040 in schedule C, self-employment, or schedule AC, self-employment. Okay, and other form is partnership. So the partnership is two or more person come together and make a business. So normal partnership are just made by the seconds, but if you add a legal partner, uh, if you want to add if you want to add a limited partner who will be just like an investor who just gave his money and gain whatever the profit comes to him. Okay, so if you talk about the partnership, the for the partnership there is a form 1065, and the partnership is of pass through entity. So it means if you do have a partnership, the partnership will not pay taxes. They will just transfer the profit to the owner of businesses, the partners, and then the partners will show their profit as an income, self-employment income, and they will then pay taxes on based on their own tax slab. So eventually partnership didn't pay the taxes. And like S corporation, S corporation is same like partnership, but is had a more professional and structured way than partnership. It is a legal entity where there is unlimited shareholders, can be unlimited shareholders, and those shareholders are also get the is same work as a partnership. I think there is no difference between partnership and S corporation, but S corporation have a more difference like that. I can own a S corporation as a single individual. Okay, and can make the S corporation separate entity from me as an individual owner, which I cannot do in sole proprietorship and partnership. For the partnership, I want a partner. So here, those are the difference from a S corporation, and the partners or a legal shareholders of S corporation can be any legal person, or can be any artificial person, or can be any real person like you and me, a real person, or or any partnership, or any S corporation is can be shareholder of S corporation, or any C corporation can be a partner of S corporation shareholder. Okay, and you can transfer your entity type into like if you add a partner in you have only one owner, you are in only one owner in S corporation, right? And if you add a partner in that, you can convert it to the partnership form too. Yeah, maybe some concept like this. I read it in in half of my sleep, so I didn't remember it, but I have to catch up it. And for C corporation has work on double taxation system where the entity itself pay the taxes of 21% flat taxes on its profit, and after tax the profit transfer to its shareholder, and shareholder then again pay the taxes on its income. So it's double tax system which is not in any other form of business. So okay, and interesting facts about the tax year. In India we have only single tax year, right? From April 1 to 31st March. But in US you can choose your tax year. Yeah, you can choose your tax year whatever you want of 12 month, whatever नहीं है, whatever you want for the 12 year. Like if you want to calendar year, they use the calendar year, like normally they use calendar year from January 1 to 31st December, and tax have to paid on a fourth month's 15th day after completing your tax year. फोर्थ मंथ्स 15 डे मतलब चौथे महीने के 15वें दिन तक आपको आपके टैक्स पे करने हैं, राइट? एंड फॉर द पार्टनरशिप एंड एस कॉर्पोरेशन दिस, हाँ, फॉर द पार्टनरशिप एंड एस कॉर्पोरेशन this will be like 3 month, yeah, 3 months after completing your tax year, and uh, third month's 15 day, third month's 15 day. And for trusts and trust there is a time of May 15 for the trust, fifth month 15 days. And the for C corporation or sole proprietorship there is a single there is a normal date, April 15, fourth month's 15 day. Yeah, and whatever else I can explain. I cannot waste my time just like seeing, but the view is very good. My camera quality is not that much good, so you can not see, but the view is very good. Tomorrow, one more day, I will explain the US Taxation, and after that, I will explain my experiences, the books. I really excited about. Yeah, I am really excited about explaining the Gunaho ke Devta, the novel of Dharmavir Bharti. I just not two or 3 months back I had, yeah, 2 or 3 months back I had read that book. A wonderful book. I will review that book maybe not tomorrow, but if I will do the recording after my interview, I will explain the Gunaho ke Devta tomorrow. Otherwise, I will explain it day after tomorrow. And the fun fact, in my room I have only one roommate, and other two are going to internship. If I'm really talking about, feel really like वो लोग काम करने के लिए जा रहे हैं और मैं घर पे बैठा हूँ, तो थोड़ा ऐसा अजीब लग रहा है। सो रहा हूँ, मेरे को समझ में सो रहा हूँ यार। नोरिस कल डायलॉग नहीं याद आ रहा, मैं बोल सकता हूँ कि जागो वहीं से सवेरा। चलो गाइस, बाय।